How to add like, comment, subscribe button on YouTube video. So if you want to add the like, comment, subscribe button on your YouTube video, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your YouTube application and then go with the search, and under search you need to search for like, comment, subscribe, green button. And once you search for that, here you will have the download option. Simply download the video. Once you've downloaded, now you just need to simply open up your CapCut application and then go with a new project. Now once you've choose the video, you just need to simply go with overlay option, which is on the bottom. Tap on overlay and then tap on add overlay and select the video that you have downloaded from your YouTube and then tap on add, which is on the bottom right. And once you've added, now you can simply adjust that. Once you've adjusted, now you need to simply select the green screen and swipe right, and you will find remove background option or chroma key option. So you can simply choose the chroma key or remove background, and under that you will have the chroma key option. And then you just need to simply adjust the intensity. So go with color picker and then adjust the intensity. You just need to simply drag to the selected color and then go with intensity, and now go with the tick, which is on the upper right. And now if you play the video, then you can see that you won't have the background. Now you can simply play the video and you can see that you don't have the background. You will have the subscribe button on your video. So that's how you can add like, comment or subscribe button on your YouTube video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.